According to many rumors, Samsung is reportedly changing the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design to mimic the Galaxy Note 7's aesthetics. This change suggests that we may be bidding adieu to the pointed edges and welcoming a rounded shape. The Galaxy S25 Ultra was first leaked in March in the form of CAD-based renders. More recently, new images have surfaced showing the device's side profile. These images show the device to have rounded corners and flat sides, just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a selfie camera cutout at the top of the display. These alleged renders of the X were submitted by tipster Ice Universe, who highlighted the phone's full-punch display design and thin bezels. Comparing the new images to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it seems that the device has a more rounded design, which could improve grip comfort. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a more rounded design, which is a notable shift for Samsung, which has preferred a boxy style for its S-series Ultra devices since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This information was originally provided by Ice Universe. Ice cautions that the renders may not accurately portray all of the design changes. For instance, previous leaks suggested that the side rails would curve towards the rear. This element seems to be absent from the current renders, which show sides that are entirely flat. The new images also suggest a smaller width, but this adjustment may not be apparent right away. The screen size will increase slightly from 6.79 to 6.86 inches and the total width will decrease from 79mm to 77.6mm due to the predicted straightening of the frame around the screen. The good news for those excitedly awaiting the flagship release next year is that it seems to be lighter than its rivals. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to weigh less than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, according to Ice Universe. Given that the Pixel is made of glass and aluminum rather than titanium, he revealed on X that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would likewise be lighter than the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.